Hello, so this application called Private Thread will allow you to send emails privately. So there are different number of followers in any of the sales form or purchase form that you are trying to send by email. Instead of emailing the sales form or the printout to every follower, you can privately send them to different recipients as well. So let's see how this works. As soon as it's downloaded, let's say if I create a new quotation over here, I will add the customer, I will add a few products, and I will save this. Now here you can see followers already added, and once I confirm this, there will be 2 followers. One will be the person, the customer, and one will be the salesperson. Now if there are multiple followers, let's say I have other followers as well, and I'll add this as a follower, then I'll add more, obviously, and I'll add this as well. So once this is done, you can see you have multiple followers with this particular sales order. If I send this by mail by clicking on this particular button, it sends as followers of the document and the particular customer. Now here you have new option to send it as a private message. So let's see the difference how it works. So let's say if I send this to the followers of the document, and then I again send an email which will just be for the private message. Now here you can obviously choose the different recipients as well if you wish to, but if you not, you can add that as well, and you can send this. Now let's go to email and see how it looks. So here you can see the recipient only received the message, but if I go back and I open the other one, you can see the other partner also received the mail. So this is how it works. If I give you another example, so this is another example, you can see it was also sent to the other partners that we added, and we have more over here. So this was sent to multiple partners via email, but when I managed it as a person and private message, it was only sent to the private recipient that I added. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your question in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.